Hi, this is Rena from CRUKING. Our company is the top professional construction machinery exporter with 14 years experience. Today we are in YUANSHAN factory to check their star machines. Let's go! This is YUANSHAN wheel excavator YS775-8Y. The operating weight of this excavator is 6.25 tons. The bucket capacity is 0.27 cubic meters. The boom length is 3.4 meters and the arm length is 1.9 meters. This model of excavator is available in two colors, yellow and orange. There are many optional attachments such as quick hitch, breaker, auger, cotton clip, wood grabber. This digger is equipped with top brand tires, which have excellent grip and long service life. The reinforced drive shaft is equipped for more reliable transmission. The enlarged rear drive axle enables large bearing capacity, high reliability, and low failure rate. Let's check the engine. It's equipped with YUCHAI engine. The rated power is 50 kW. It has low rotate speed, high torque, and strong power. Now I will show you the cabin. Large space, wide field of vision, spacious and comfortable. The gear level is in the front, which is more convenient to operate. The seat is adjustable fore and after. Powerful air conditioner. Openable sunroof. That's all for today's introduction. If you are interested in YUANSHAN wheel excavator or other machines, please contact me for more information. See you next time. Bye!